Namaskaram. This video is about how to change a URDF to MuJoCo XML. Many times the URDF is available on open source. Like I have got the URDF of the bold biped, but I want to work with MuJoCo, so I have to convert it to MJCF, the XML for the MuJoCo. So there are various ways and there are various external packages like URDF to MJCF, but the easiest way is already provided by the MuJoCo. So yeah, let us see about the what we have got. So we have got the URDF and we have got the message, the STL files, and we want XML. So here we have the simulate, and this we already know, we always use it, but there is something more which MuJoCo provides. So you have to navigate to the bin folder where you have downloaded your MuJoCo, and yeah, there is something magical here, the compile, which is often overlooked, but it does something very good things. So what we have to do is first I am going to copy the URDF file to the same bin folders, and then also I'm going to copy all the STL files on the same folder so that it's in the same folder. And then you go to the URDF file, and then here you have to tell the location of the message somewhere, yeah, here. But see, if it is in the same folder, so you can just give the name. Otherwise, actually I have changed it. Earlier it was the URDF, so it was given like from where I have got it, so that location was given. And then so before changing it, you have to change this one thing, the mesh file name, wherever it is. You can use the absolute addressing, but the easiest way is use relative addressing. Put everything in the same folder, and just you can write directly the name instead of like home slash this. Okay, so just put everything in the same folder, and we are ready to do it. Just open this thing in the terminal, and the command is compile. After compile, you have to write the in file. In file means the file you want to convert. So we want to convert bolt.urdf, and we want to convert into the out file. What will be the out file? Will be bolt.xml. That's it, and just press enter, and we are done. Here we got the message done, and let us see. Yeah, here we have got a file bolt. Now let us check it. So how to check? Just open our hero simulate. We got the GUI, and we know how to work with it. So we just drag, oh, sorry, so we just drag here, and yeah, we got it. Looks cute, right? Okay, that's all. Good night.